Hey guys, I'm just going to show you super quick how to insert a picture. We did this before when we did our roller coaster lab. We added pictures in, but I just want to remind everybody, if you do not have a camera on your computer, you can go ahead and like Dojo message me one. You can email me a picture from your phone, stuff like that. So you guys can use your phone if you'd like to. Just go ahead and send me those pictures either on Dojo, email, stuff like that. And if you guys have any problems or anything, just let me know. I'm willing to work with you. I'll help you guys out if you guys need it. Okay? So you guys can go ahead and just search on your Chromebook or whatever you guys have. Go ahead and just search down at the very bottom for your camera, and then you can just go ahead and use that to take a picture. After you do that, you're just going to go to Insert, Image, and then we're going to upload from the computer. And when we click that, it's going to come up with something like this. Yours might look a little bit different, but you should have the picture that you just took on there. Okay, so because we're doing pictures, it should be, excuse me, it should be one of the first ones that pops up. And you should just be able to go ahead and click on that picture and then go ahead and open or insert. Okay, and if you guys have problems, just go ahead and let me know. But that's how you go ahead and insert a picture into our buoyancy challenge.